One of the big benefits of a VA loan is the ability to do a streamlined refinance. Now, the term for that is the VA Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan. And I like to say it's called IRRRL, so it's like your favorite Uncle Earl. And it's pretty incredible. And what I like to tell folks is that even if the two loan types get close together at the time of purchase, so let's say you're buying the home and, oh man, hey, the interest rates are pretty close on conventional versus VA, which is rare, but let's say interest rates are pretty similar, the cost of bringing cash to close are pretty similar, all terms are pretty darn similar at purchase. Why would I even choose a VA loan then? Well, it's because of this. Streamlined refinance for a VA loan is incredible. The interest rate reduction refinance loan, IRRRL, allows you to reduce your rate very easily on a VA loan. If we can reduce your rate by at least 0.5% or more, and it's been 210 days since your first payment, then you can do this streamlined refi. Here's the kicker. There's no appraisal. There's no income verification. There's no equity requirements, which is why conventional loans, you usually got to do that appraisal in the first place. So there's no equity requirement in the home. And then there's also no credit score. We still check credit score because we got to make sure that you've at least made your payments. You can't miss your payments. That's a key. But there's really no credit score requirement on doing a streamlined refinance with a VA loan. It's absolutely incredible. Whereas on a conventional loan, you're restricted by all of those. The big one, of course, being that appraisal and obviously income. But the appraisal, because on a conventional refi, you got to make sure there's equity in the home. And here's the deal I like to say. The VA IRRRL, that streamlined refinance ability, it's kind of like your Armageddon button, especially for guys who are active duty and transitioning out of the military. Let's say you did happen to lose your job after you had bought that home a couple of years ago when you transitioned out. Well, good news is if rates happen to drop, you can still do a refinance. If you had a conventional loan, that'd be really tough, but you can still do it with a VA loan. Let's pull it back to the Great Recession, time when I grew up and started working in real estate. If all of a sudden market blows up and you're actually underwater on your home, let's say that they value the home on an appraisal, they'd value at $500,000, but you owe $600,000. There's no way you're doing a regular appraisal in most all circumstances. But with a VA loan, the incredible thing is you can still do that streamlined refinance because there's no appraisal and really no equity requirement, which is incredible. So know that that's like the secret weapon of a VA loan. If all things are equal at purchase, to me personally, the ability of doing that streamlined refinance is what pushes a VA loan over the edge. And it's very incredible. For our clients, we make sure we track that because military, that's our bulk clientele. We do VA and conventional loans. That's the bulk of it. So we track the ability to do these refinances really well. You get a call from us 6 to 7 months after you close to tell you, hey, I like to say it's a good call either way. Hey, either rates have gone up and aren't you happy that you're locked in at your past rate? Yeah, I am. Good deal. Or I'm calling saying, hey, good news. We can save you a couple $100 a month. Do you want to do it? And we go through what it looks like, what costs could be, and make it happen. Very incredible with a VA loan, streamlined refinance, VA IRRRL. Now, one of the caveats, and we have it as a little asterisk, is that you can't pull out cash on doing a streamlined refinance, a VA IRRRL. That would be a VA cash out. And in that scenario, you do have an appraisal. It becomes like a regular loan. You do have to document a lot more. It's a different process. But if you're just trying to reduce your rate and make sure you save money each month, there's no need for an appraisal, income document verification, and credit work. Pretty powerful. We really hope this information helps you enable, empower, and go out there and win a home with the VA loan. Take care.